Hi, I'm Dan Raywood at IT Security Guru, here with Phil Dunkelberger, who's President and CEO of Nok Nok Labs. Phil, Nok Nok Labs appeared about 12 months ago, saw you at RSA last year. I know you were in the Operation Sandbox as well. Tell us a bit about Nok Nok Labs and what the product offering is, and then what you understand you're launching some new things this week as well.
Nok Nok Labs was created as a company to take advantage of a new specification called the FIDO protocol that is coming out with the intent of making it a standard. And the standard's stated mission is to be able to make strong authentication much more usable, much more cost effective to people. So you think of biometrics, you think of PINs, things today that we are not using. We're using usernames and passwords, which is very problematic. And Nok Nok Labs was to be the first essentially creator. We helped create the protocol that FIDO was founded on, and at the same time be able to build the implementation of client, server, and mobile implementations of the software.
So I understand this week Nok Nok Labs are launching some new concepts and technologies and solutions. Can you tell us a bit about what those are?
Yeah, for the last year we've been working on testing the both client, server, and mobile implementations. We call it the S3 Authentication Suite, which is available today that if people want to take advantage of cost effectiveness, more usable capability on these devices and servers they already have. This is the first implementation of that FIDO protocol.
Okay, sure. And finally, we've seen some big authentication problems recently with password breaches. Do you think there's ever going to be a sort of an end to these problems? And do you think that doing a better authentication, with stronger authentication, but much more simple for the user, is the future of authentication?
Well, I definitely think the future of authentication has to be something simpler for the user, first of all. We can't continue to use 14-character upper lowercase special characters and change them every 3 weeks. That doesn't scale. We certainly can't continue to ask people to carry things around with them. I know that in the UK at times if you've got 3 different banks you're doing business with, you're carrying 3 different types of strong authentication dongles with you, carrying them around. I think it would be better served if we had something that was built into the infrastructure that lets you use fingerprint, voice, SIM card plug-in to your phone, any of these things that you already have, and take advantage of them versus making you buy and carry new things.
Absolutely, that's got to be the future, isn't it? I say with all these different solutions and make things better. So, great stuff. Phil, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.